down the hill.
It did? How? Your feet?
Yeah, went to my feet.
Come here. Let's get that scarf. Let's get the ice out of that scarf. Come here.
The ice is on my shoes.
It's supposed to be on your shoes, but the scarf is what's got me confused.
It's inside my shoes.
Man, it's okay. A little ice is
マミ持ってるから靴もソックスも替え持ってるからいいよ俺。
でも濡れている。
なんで気持ち悪い？もう一回やろう。